On and off the court, straight fundamentals. No funny business. This shit ain't nothing to me, man.
Hey, what's up, you fucking Today, we are going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing with this right here. Editor, be sure to get my full, whenever I spin it around, be sure to get my full name and address on this, please. And the guy who sent it to me, too. Let's fucking booty down. You fucking see that? Yeah. Hey, if you made fun of me in high school, I'd just say let's just say unsubscribe now, you know what I'm saying? Cutting can be really fun. Cutting is for everyone. Check this shit out. Yep, doink, 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 doink. Just kidding, gamers. Now we're having fun. Yeah, pretending that's the necks of all the girls who didn't want to go out with me. God damn, did you tape this or did you tape this? Maybe this'll work. There's gotta be a better way to do this, and I'm sure there is, but unfortunately, I am a very stupid white man. Here we go, baby. Give me my son. Oh, it's a boy. That's good. Yeah, this is the mucus. This is the like placental thing that it's covered in. Kind of like the little shits from Van Helsing. This is not in fact bubble wrap. This is in fact a real thing that it is secreting, and I probably shouldn't be getting it on my hands. I actually haven't had one of these since I was like 8. I am really excited. Okay. Oh, they wrapped this pretty well actually. Okay, all right. This is smaller than I thought it would be. Okay, oh my god, oh my god. Yo. I don't know if my dad knows about my YouTube channel yet, but I'm guessing that when he finds out, he's gonna come to my door and shoot me in the chest, like the January 6th guy. Alright. Okay, sorry, I know there's a lot of, like, porn stars and supermodels that watch my content just to, you know, kind of, too, so, sorry, the trigger warning. Oh, I can just... Sorry, I literally had some coffee, and let's just say the random dancing is getting a little much. Okay, here we go. Somebody did illegal things to this. He's kind of built weird. And I don't mean, okay, alright, cool. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but I'm not wearing any pants. Sorry if you see some peanut. Editor, be sure to leave in all of this. It'll make people think I'm very smart. So yeah, he just kind of like sits in a really kind of a satisfying way. So I don't like this. This looks like now as you can see, this is the heroin frog. This is a limited edition situation, but basically his whole story is he's in a truck stop and he is fighting for his life. All right, now we're having fun. Hey, this isn't a joke. Hey, I have footage of you jacking off. Yeah, no, listen to me. Listen to me, okay? I have footage of you jacking off. And I put a thing on, listen. I put a thing on your phone so that I know I got your face while you're doing it, and I saw what websites you were looking at, and you are fucking done. You are sick, and you are going to fucking jail, dude. I like this a lot. He's got, okay, whoa, okay. I don't like, so he has some sort of fluid came out of a person and onto his cheek. Which, I mean, that happens to the best of us. Oh yeah, look, that's his evil brand. They have a guy at the factory to go and just burn it into him. Oh no, he's dying. Sorry guys, sorry. I think he's all better now. So unless I have fucked this video up horribly again, it's Valentine's Day soon, and so I thought it would be kind of prudent to get. Oh yeah. God, look at you. Fuck, you're good at that. Son of a bitch, you caught me off guard. Yeah, look at you go. You know what you're doing. Yeah, you're smug. I can tell. I have not pleased many women. So I got the Valentine's Day frog because it's Valentine's Day. And in honor of that, I have decided that his official name is going to be Funny Puddle. Because on Valentine's Day, okay, so if you have a sneepus, you can make a funny puddle of your own. You can put it in somebody, or you can just kind of make a funny puddle somewhere. Or if you have, if you have kind of a, if you've got one of those, you can make a funny puddle of your own that comes with a snail trail. That was fucking gross. I'm sorry, everybody. Stepdad, you see this? That's what I fucked. Do you see this? Yeah, don't come to school on Monday. I'm gonna now free him from his bounds. Oh, okay. All right, so it's connected by this beautiful little ribbon, and it's also connected by this like an artery. It's like pulling out an IV, and the rest of the tubes come with it. That was very scary. So I'm just going to cut towards my face and hands, so that this will either be my best video or my worst video. Yeah, and he's got oh my god, his arm is fucked up, dude. I decide his gender, because that's how we do it in this house. Now there's a man who knows what he wants. I trust this guy. If this guy wanted to borrow my car, I'd say, you go right ahead, man. So to hell with this fucker. What we really want, right, is this little thing right here. So, okay, so I can't give this to anyone under 3 years of age. So I know there's a lot of young children and fetal babies, and the wet thing from under the bench from the last Harry Potter movie, a lot of the little babies that watch this channel. And if you were looking to go get this, here, you can have this instead. How about that? Fucker. Asshole. Shithead. Fucking cunt. Oh, God. Okay, okay, I've been doing cardio, thank God, so that wasn't too bad. Okay, so I need Internet Explorer 6. Well, this is the exact date that I'm going to die, so I don't like that. Yeah, check that out, dude. Now we're having fun. Hey, what's up, baby girl? It's back at it again. It has been 1 day since I have seen you last. Shower started. And I didn't think I was going to be recording anything tonight, but dude, yeah, zoom in, enhance. So, didn't plan on recording tonight, didn't think I'd be recording tonight, but let's just say this little guy did what I will not be doing this Valentine's Day, and he came. So first of all, I want to talk about the beautiful, this is a little bit of a prima donna, but what I did was I reached out to the guy and I said, hey, I'm going to be doing a YouTube unboxing thing. Is it okay if you intentionally mace yourself and then just kind of get some crap that is laying around your trailer? And he said, I don't ordinarily do this, but for you, Brock, I do it for you, man. And I said, thanks, man. So he made an exception for me. So this is a beautiful packing job. As you can see, there is kind of a nice little hermit crab situation here. I actually asked for this intentionally because if the mailman dropping off the thing sees like a cool rock or a quarter or or a bug or a cool leaf, just anything, I can just kind of put it in this extra package and I can get extra presents. As you can see, there is There's a hole from where it temporarily gained sentience and then stopped. So let's begin. Okay, all right. Okay, so this so you were expecting something in this package? Well, you know what? It's a second package. Now, I don't know about you, but my old ticker can't take that kind of stress. I can't get the thing to look down at the desk. I'm sorry. Yeah, so as I'm recording this, as of today, Trump just canceled like all of FAFSA. Like FAFSA as an institution is gone. So I thought I would play with toys for you. I'm both not strong enough to cry in front of my wife, and I'm not strong enough to open this cool package. Now, it's a good thing I'm not doing a bad job, or people would think that I'm stupid. How does this make you feel, white boy? That's very dirty. Oh my God. Somebody stuffed this with cigarettes while I wasn't looking. Okay, so this is a monkey. Do not look him in the eye. Do not come up to him with peanuts or food, because he'll think you're taking it away from them. And he'll no, dude. You ever seen the opening scene of Nope? It's kind of something like this, actually. So, yeah. Okay, so the first person to comment down below, Barack's Love Monkey Stinks, gets $4 worth of Kohl's Cash. This is very, very dirty, and I don't know if I want him associating with Funny Puddle. Again, I elected all their genders. I have decided that I was going to christen him Walmart Willie, because, I don't know, when I think of Valentine's Day, I just think of... When I was a kid, I was actually so blitheringly stupid that the way I knew a holiday was coming up was when we walked into Walmart, and, you know, it's like a display for, like, Easter eggs or something, and I'd go, oh my God, it's Easter. I had no idea of, like, you know, it's the same every month, or it's, you know... Okay, it was just Halloween, now it's time for Thanksgiving, and then it's just Walmart's the only way I figured out. So, Walmart is Valentine's Day, and Valentine's Day is Walmart Willie. Woo! That's a boy monkey. Yeah, let's... Oh, yeah, don't let my wife catch me doing that. Oh, goodness. Full disclosure, I kind of only bought these for the video for a bit, so I think that I'm actually just going to kind of use this as a semen rag moving forward, because I have been using printer paper, and my house is a mess. Like, I can't bring my boys over, it's just all semen, so that's why I got a monkey, so that there can be even more semen in the house. He's got a monkey taint, that's in the positive column. So you know what? Yeah, okay, so here, let me get a shot of the gruesome twosome, as it were. Let me just, yeah. So this. So this is, yeah, so this is kind of what we're working with here. Who fucking let him have that? Oh, shit, fuck. And this one, okay, so this is the first child. This was, you know, like, I just didn't know a lot about the world. I kind of wanted to impart some wisdom. And this is the second child. And I just, I don't know, just my marriage had been stale for like 4 months. And so I was like, what the hell, you know? Funny Puddle is the doctor. And Walmart Willie is like explaining the concept of NFTs to me. This is the original Bored Ape, ladies and gentlemen. This is Walmart Willie, and we are going to get a little Walmart silly today. So, let me free you of all these ribbons, little friend. I won't harm you. I will only use you to mop up my seed. And you know, that is the thing too, is that I bought the... I feel like my YouTube career so far has just been a guy with explosive diarrhea trying to roll his skateboard. Oh yeah, he's still got some delicious, nutritious microplastics. That's good. That's good shit. Not gonna lie, out of all the things I've put in my mouth as a joke, that maybe kind of ranks up there as like most likely to be on a report somewhere. So I've gotten rid of all his microplastics. He's covered in scars. I asked him to stop for me. He also has some sort of... You guys ever have an old cat and it gets like kind of around the eye? Okay, well, he's got it on his nip, which I mean, I do too, to be fair. So, I can't judge the man too harshly. He has a kind face. And I like that in a man. I decided to do the kind of the Valentine's Day theme because I actually love the Valentine's Day aesthetic. And also, here's the thing too, is that if Valentine's Day can be any day. You want to go caroling? You got to wait until Christmas. You want to carve up a turkey? Got to wait till Thanksgiving. You want to hunt for some Easter eggs? Got to wait until Easter. But having sex, the sexy holiday, can be any day of the year, baby. You feel me? If you're into dead people, all you need to do is get a shovel and some towels, hour of cleanup, an hour of prep, and you're good to go. If you're Matt Gates, all you need is a couple bucks and a daycare. Anybody can have sex. In fact, that's a big problem with society, as a lot of people are having sex that shouldn't be. Okay, so all I need is Firefox 1.5. and I will officially be in business. This has gone through a washing machine. This was at Thriftway for $13.99. Now he's in my house, so imagine my delight. What's the code? Tell me the code. I have introduced 2 stuffed animals into my house in 2 days, and twice have I sort of discovered this sort of vague liquid that is permeating from both of their countenances. So, I don't think I'll be doing this for long. Okay, alright, I just gotta remember, okay, this is Funny Puddle, and this is Walmart Willie. Because I will be your worst memory of your mom, and I'll just kind of be a little bit upfront and say, yep, there's a favorite. So, here it is. So, I found this somewhere, I don't remember, but I'm gonna call it Fort Asshole, and this is where they will reside until such time as I release them. A little too many pets in the house, so I'm probably gonna have our 3 cats put down for real, and that's not a joke. I think I'll put them down so I have room for these guys. So here is so here's where he can, look out. Oh my god, dude, you can't fucking... I'm sorry, guys. I wouldn't have turned the camera on if I didn't know he did that. This is where they live. This is their house. This is, I haven't gotten them spayed, so, hopefully nothing, bad happens. When I go, hey, enough. Get out of each other. I won't have to do nothing like that. I like this because now, whenever they need food, I can just kind of regurgitate like a bird. For real, though, I should be more embarrassed about playing with stuffed animals, but unfortunately, I do possess a gigantic cock, so I'm not nearly as ashamed as I should be. So that is the Valentine's Day Beasts. That's the Valentine's Day Webkinz haul. And I will see you in the future, Barack. Bye-bye.
Sagt mal, von wo kommt ihr denn her?
Aus Schlumpfhausen, bitte sehr.
Sehen alle da so aus wie ihr?
Ja, wir sehen so aus wie wir.
Soll ich euch ein Lied beibringen?
Ja, wir wollen mit dir singen.
Ich kenn ein Lied mit dem schönen Chor.
Spiel es uns bitte einmal